Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Namaste everyone. With the guidance of my Muthu Krishna and Chamundeshwari Amma, I want to share a message with this whole humanity. I am sharing this as a message from God. It is not my own words. This isn't me speaking. It is the word of God. I am simply a messenger for my Muthu Krishna. I am just a conduit for God's message. My Muthu Krishna is telling, my God is telling to this whole humanity to stop conducting competitions between children. My humble request to this whole humanity, please stop conducting competitions between children. Please don't hurt those tender and innocent little minds. We all are God's creation, so every child is special and unique in their own way. Let's create a safe space for kids to explore their talent and interest without the stress of competitions and winning prizes. Please stop creating unnecessary competitions among children. Let's encourage our children's creativity, teamwork, and self-expressions. No prizes, no competitions. Just fun and learning for our kids. And I even suggest this for elders. Host a fun day for kids to engage in various activities like painting, drawing, singing, writing, dancing, essay writing, sports, and many other things, but it should be focused only on having fun and learning, not competing with each other. No prizes, just pure joy. Praise children's effort, not only just talent, emphasize the hard work and effort they put into. And supportive environment is more important than competitions. Let's have fun and non-competitive activity that encourages children's creativity and learning. And please be respectful and calm and kind towards children. Give them lots and lots of love. Let's prioritize building confidence and self-worth over competing with each other. Teach children to focus on the process, encourage them to enjoy the activity, explain the value of learning, help children to think about what they did well and what they could improve on. Teach them how could they participate in the activity without losing confidence. My humble request to this whole humanity, please stop conducting unnecessary competitions and hurting these little ones. Every child is unique and that's what makes them special. Let's celebrate their differences. Every child deserves the chance to shine. Let's provide them with the support they need. And I don't understand why we have to compete with each other. See, animals, birds, trees, nature, they won't compete with each other. Nobody is competing with each other. They all are just doing their work, what God has given them, with love and respect and without any expectations. Only humans are unnecessarily competing with each other and hurting each other. Please don't pressurize children to win prizes. My Muthu Krishna is telling, my God is telling to this whole humanity just to focus only on the work. Only on the work you are doing and do it with love, humility, compassion and devotion. And respect and value the hard work and effort you are putting into and enjoy the activity. Learn and improve yourself. Teach children to think about how others might feel and how to be kind and supportive to each other. Let us learn and teach children to focus on the work which God has given us. Let's do it with lots of love without any stress and expectations. My Mother Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phala heturbhur ma te sangotsva karmani. Do your duty, don't worry about the outcome. Focus on the action and not the result. You're in charge of the effort you're doing, not the reward. You have the right to perform your actions and not the result. Teach children to concentrate on doing their best in the present moment and not to be overly invested in specific results. Help children to learn and cultivate detachment over outcomes. My Muddu Krishna is very happy that you all are reading and learning Bhagavad Gita. But God is telling to stop conducting competitions on reading, learning and reciting Bhagavad Gita. Please let children and enjoy the process. Let children learn Bhagavad Gita without the stress of winning prizes. My Muddu Krishna has given such a beautiful life lessons in Bhagavad Gita. Let us learn and teach our children with lots of love, respect. Let us all learn the teaching of my Muddu Krishna in Bhagavad Gita. Let us all learn the shlokas, the profound timeless guidance on duty and responsibilities, practical wisdoms, values and spiritual guidance for living a meaningful and fulfilling life. Let us all learn and teach our children how to include the lessons in our life without competing with each other. Let's learn Bhagavad Gita with respect and lots of love. Please stop hurting my Muthu Krishna by conducting competitions on reading, learning and reciting Bhagavad Gita. Give opportunities and encourage children to participate in everything, but without the stress of winning prizes or competitions. With the presence of my Muthu Krishna, guide all of us towards the life of righteousness. Om Krishnaya Vasudevaya Haraye Paramatmane Pranatah Klesha Nashaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Life is short and simple. Let's all make it sweeter together. Let's celebrate humanity. Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Samasta Sanmangalani Bhavantu.